In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to write a YouTube video description. To get started, open ChatGPT and type in the topic of your YouTube video. This gives the AI a clear starting point and helps it understand what kind of description you need. The more specific your topic is, the more accurate and useful the result will be. If your video covers a tutorial, review, walkthrough, or educational topic, make that clear right away so the description matches the style and purpose of your content. Next, provide the key details ChatGPT needs to build a strong description. This includes your video title, the main points covered in the video, your target audience, and any important keywords you want included. These details help shape a description that is not only informative, but also easier for viewers to find through search. Keywords are especially useful because they improve discoverability, but they should still fit naturally into the wording. Once you've given that information, ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube description. At this stage, you're turning your notes into a complete draft. You can keep your request simple, but make sure it's clear that you want a polished description suitable for YouTube. This helps the output sound more professional and ready to use with minimal editing. After that, ask ChatGPT to include a strong opening summary. This is important because the first few lines of a YouTube description often appear before viewers click to expand it. A clear, engaging opening helps people quickly understand what the video is about and why they should watch. It should be direct, relevant, and aligned with the actual content of the video. If needed, you can then add extras such as timestamps, helpful links, hashtags, and call to action text. These elements can make your description more useful and more engaging. Timestamps help viewers jump to specific sections, links can direct them to relevant resources, hashtags can improve visibility, and a call to action can encourage viewers to subscribe, comment, or watch another video. Before you use the final version, review the description carefully and make sure it truly matches your video. This step matters because even a well-written description should reflect what viewers will actually see. Check the wording, accuracy, tone, and formatting so everything feels consistent with your content. Once you're happy with it, copy the final description into YouTube Studio. Then publish your video details or save them for later if you're not ready to go live yet. With this process, you can create YouTube descriptions faster while still keeping them clear, relevant, and professional.